Hello humans! Today I'm going to teach you about tuples, and this is going to be one of the easiest tutorials in this series, so here we go. Tuples are basically lists that you can't edit. We create tuples by creating a variable and setting it equal to parentheses. Within these parentheses, we can add elements and we separate each one of them with a comma. We can then access this data by typing the name of our tuple followed by square brackets and the index of the element we want to access. Let's print out my tuple at index 1 to prove it. Now, you might be thinking, well, these are basically just lists. And they are. Tuples and lists can both store multiple values of any data type without issue. They can both access these elements by using the square bracket notation, so what makes them different? The difference is that once we create a tuple, we cannot edit it. With lists, we can note all of our favorite bands, and later on we can add to that list, or we could also change a value at a given index. Tuples are a different story. When we try to change our tuple, we get a type error. This is because tuples are immutable. Immutable means that it cannot be mutated, it cannot be changed. So, we can't change their values, and we can't add on new elements. On the other hand, since lists can be edited, they are considered mutable. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.